Pan with WTI.
Are you looking for the perfect bag for your upcoming weekend getaway? I have it. It's by BAGODI, and it is this beautiful pink bag. It comes with everything you need. It comes with a matching makeup bag. It comes with your big weekend bag, and it even comes with a nice crossbody purse. And it comes with these 2 bags to store your shoes, and my favorite compartment of this is this little bottom pocket. So nice to have it separate from the rest. Not only did I use this to carry everything I needed for the weekend, but I unpacked it, and then the next 3 days we were going to an event, and I have a 1-year-old daughter, so I needed tons of stuff to keep her busy and happy for the whole day. This bag was so nice to carry. It's easy to carry. I could fit her blankets, her toys, extra clothes. I even had this as my diaper bag with the diapers, wipes, sippy cups. Everything fit in here just fine. Another great feature is it has this USB charging port. So you charge your bag at night, and the next day whenever you need to charge your phone, no matter where you are, you can just plug it into this bag. The side pockets are also really nice. There's a lot of elasticity on them, and they're sealed, so there's no holes like some side pockets have. The material is this really smooth, silky material, and my daughter dragged my purse all over the floor that day, but I easily grabbed a baby wipe and was able to wipe all the stains off, no problem at all. All in all, I love this bag. I love the way it looks. I love the gold hardware. If you're looking for a bag, I really recommend this one.
And that's my point of view.